Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn about the past tense. In my previous lectures I have explained the past tense, but this lecture is for little kids for grade 2 and 3, okay, let's start. So first we will read the sport box. We use past tense to talk about things that happened in the past. Any action, anything, any event that has happened, if it is over or done or finished, for that action we use past tense, okay? Example of past tense: the children visited the zoo last week. The plane landed a few minutes ago. Okay, you know what we do in past tense? In past tense we use second form of the verb. Past tense is used for the past action, anything, any action that has happened, that is finished or over, for that we use past tense, past indefinite tense or simple past tense. And we use second form of the verb, okay? In affirmative sentences of past tense, simple past tense, we use second form of the verb, okay? So let's start the exercise. Circle the correct past tense verb for each of the following. Okay, so in this exercise they have given us the two options. We have to select the correct one with correct spelling, okay? Sana, cut it or cut the cake neatly. So look, cut it or cut. So the first, second and third form of cut is cut, and cut, okay? There is no cut it, okay? Cut it is not the second or third form, so cut is the second and third form. First form is also the cut, so we will circle the cut. All right. Number 2, she carried all the toys in a big bag, in the big box. So in two options are given to us, CARRYED and CARRIED. So the right spelling is CARRIED. That is the correct spelling, okay? So we will circle this. Number 3, my mother let us go to the market. In this sentence, look, two spellings are there, two options are there rather. So cut it is not a word, okay? So the first, second and third form of let is let, okay? So let is the right option, so we will circle this. Number D, Farhan taught his brother how to fly a kite. In this sentence again they have given us the two options, teached or taught. So the right answer is taught, okay? So taught is the second form of teach, taught. So we will circle this. Next one is, we were or was at a bus station to welcome our father. In this sentence again two options are given, was and were. And as you know, and if you have watched my previous videos, so I told you and I explained that we use was with singular pronouns, okay, and we use were with plural pronouns. With you, we, they, and all the plurals we use were, and was we use with I, we, you, they, and all the singulars, okay? With singular pronouns we will use was, with plural we will use were. So we were or was at the bus station, we were at the bus station, so were is the right answer. We will circle this, okay? Next one is, Zaryab hit his brother with a bat by mistake. Okay, again two options are with us, hit it or hit. So the first, second and third form of hit is hit, second and third form is also hit, so we will circle hit. I have already circled it, so hit is the right answer, HIT, hit. Number G, the glass fall or fell off the cabinet and broke or braked. So fell is the right answer, okay? So I have circled the fell. And in the next one is broke or braked. So break, broke, broken. The second form of verb is second form of break is broke. So broke is the right answer. We will circle that. Okay. Next one is the mobile rang or rung very loudly during the meeting. So ring, rang, rung. Ring is the first form, rang is second form, and rung is the third form. So they have given us two options, rang and rung. And as I told you, in the simple past tense or past indefinite tense, we use second form of the verb. So second form of ring is rang. So I have circled the rang. Okay, so this is the right answer. Okay, next one is the horse hurt or hurted its leg in the race. So again two options are with us, hurt or hurted. So the first, second and third form of hurt is hurt. Okay, so I have circled the hurt. This is the right answer. Okay, the last one is the people sang or sing and dance at the wedding. So sing is the first form of the verb, second form is sang. Okay, and we are discussing simple past tense. In simple past tense we use second form of the verb, so sang is the right option. So I have circled sang. The people sang and dance or danced. So danced is second form and dance is the first form, so I have circled danced at the wedding. Sang and danced. Okay, so what you have learnt in today's lecture, past and definite tense, or in simple past tense we use second form of the verb in affirmative sentences or in positive or simple sentences. Okay, so in this exercise two options were given to us and we had to select the appropriate one. So I have done it for you and you can see, and I hope you will like this lecture. Thank you so much for watching.